First at 4, the murder trial of Billy Wagner, who is accused of killing 8 members of the Roden family back in 2016, has been delayed.
NBC4's Jonathan Jackson joins us now to explain what happened in court and the reason for this setback, too. Jonathan?
Well, Jen and Sierra, today's pretrial hearing took no more than 5 minutes, and it was due to the court having to find a replacement for the outgoing judge. Now, in Pike County, Judge Randy Deering, who is set to serve on this case, is facing the end of his term on February 8th. The next person elected to his office is current prosecuting attorney Rob Junk, who faces a conflict of interest in overseeing the trial due to prosecuting other members of the Wagner family. Now, since the time of their arrest in 2018, all 4 members of the Wagners initially entered not guilty pleas. However, 2 of them, Jake and Angela Wagner, eventually switched their pleas to guilty, striking a deal with prosecutors to avoid the death penalty so long as they testified against George and Billy Wagner. George Wagner, who was the first to go to trial, was found guilty of all murder charges last month and will spend the rest of his life behind bars. The start of Billy Wagner's trial was to be decided today, but due to the conflict of interest, it will be up to the Ohio Supreme Court to appoint a new judge to the case. Now, today's hearing also marks the first time Billy Wagner made an appearance in court in nearly a year. His trial date is expected to be set after a new judge has been appointed, and we'll have more on that when that might happen coming up at 5.